Hello, welcome to kind of my first YouTube video. I did used to post on YouTube like 2 years ago, but this is like my first proper attempt at filming videos regularly. But yeah, today I'm going to do a video about how I go and take my Instagram pictures, what I do when I'm out, like where I go, and like also how I edit them when I get home. So yeah, today I'm going to be going out and taking some Insta pictures, so it's kind of like a vlog, and then I'll just show you as well what I'm doing as I go. But yeah, hopefully that's interesting. The sort of videos I want to post on this channel are just sort of like this, like random vlogs, like day in the life, and like showing you stuff that I do, because that's the sort of YouTube videos I watch, just ones where I can like put them on when I'm doing my makeup or like tidying my room. I just always have like a YouTube video playing, so hopefully that's what my videos can be for you guys to watch. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and go pack my bag for taking Instagram pictures, because right now the sun is going down, so it's sort of a race against time in winter to try and get the good lighting for pictures. So yeah, I'm gonna go get all my stuff together, and then I'll show you in the car what I always bring with me. Hello guys, so I'm in the car about to leave to go to the place I'm gonna go take pictures. So whenever I try and find photo locations, obviously if you don't know, I go to university in London, so like 3 or 4 times a week I'm up in London anyway, doing my like lectures and stuff, so a lot of my pictures are taken in London. But also the days when I'm at home, obviously I'm not gonna like go all the way there just to take pictures, so I try and find places to take pictures that are just near me. So I take a lot of pictures, to be honest, just in my house and in my garden. So if you have like a cute white wall in your house, or like a garden with nice flowers or anything, you can literally just take pictures in your own house, or like go to your friend's nice house, or just anyone you know. But if you do want to go out looking for places, I would really recommend just like go to your nearest town and just look around, sort of in the mindset of wanting to take pictures, because you won't even notice that there's so many good locations. Probably like there's just like, if you just look for like white walls, or like places with nice like trees, or I don't know, like just shops even. Like sometimes I take pictures in the supermarket. Like you can find places, you don't have to be like in a big city or anything. So the place I'm going to is actually just like a free to entry photo gallery place, but basically I'm gonna go there because I've taken pictures in there before, just like really cute ones, just like around, because all the like architecture's nice, and also they have really good lift, and I always see pictures on Pinterest of people in lifts taking cool pictures, so I'm going to try that. I have been there before and got some good ones, so hopefully that's cool. I'll show you what I brought with me. You don't really need either of these things, but these are just things that I use to help me take pictures, and like it just makes it easier. So the first thing I normally take with me is one of these like photo clickers. I have like a few of these because I always lose them, but they're like £3 or £4 on Amazon, and you just link it to your phone. I'm pretty sure it works on like iPhone or Android. I've got an iPhone, but you just Bluetooth it, and then when you press the button it will take a picture for you, so you don't have to like do a self timer or anything. I prefer this to like using a self-timer app like Lens Buddy. I used to use this app called Lens Buddy, so if you don't want to buy one of these you could use that, but I do prefer using these because the actual Apple like camera, I prefer using that because you get to have like the live photos, which are good because like if I take a picture and I'm blinking, I can like slide along the live photo to a good frame. I'll show you that later when I'm editing my photos, but yeah, I would recommend getting one of these. If you can afford it. It's only like £3 or £4, and I think it is definitely worth it. And then the other thing I always bring with me to a photo day is obviously a tripod. So again, you don't really need a tripod. Like if you're just starting out and you're not sure if you want to like spend the money, you don't need one to begin with. Like if you have someone to take pictures for you, that's great, but like obviously like I don't most of the time have someone to take my pictures, but even if I don't have my tripod with me, I'll just like lean my phone up against a wall, or like if I'm taking pictures in the supermarket, I'll just put it on a shelf, or if I'm like at like a restaurant or a coffee shop, I'll just like put it against my like cup of coffee or my drink. So you don't have to have a tripod, but obviously it is useful because in any location you can get a picture like on your own. So this is the one I have. I actually have 2. This is the like small one I have, and then I have a big one I keep at home. The big one I have was more expensive. It is like sturdier, but it's heavy, so when I'm just going out on my own and I don't want a big heavy bag, I take this lightweight one, and it just like folds up. You just like undo the legs and get them longer, but I'll show you that when we're in the place. But yeah, and then it just has like a screw on the top, and I just screw on this phone holder. You can get like, if you are taking pictures with like a camera or an iPad, you can get all different sizes of these. But yeah, I literally just screw that on, undo the legs, and yeah, that's how I take my pictures. And this is good, it fits in my tote bag, the tripod, so I don't feel like weird walking around with a big tripod in my hand, so I just hide it in my bag until I'm ready to take pictures. But yeah, But yeah, those are the two things I always have with me. Obviously, if I'm going for like a whole day, like in London, whatever, I will take like makeup. I'll take like sometimes change of outfits. I will take like a hairbrush, sometimes dry shampoo, like other stuff like that, or like a phone charger as well. But today I'm only doing one outfit and I'm not far away from home, so I don't really need any of that stuff. But yeah, if you are going to London, I recommend definitely taking a phone charger, because you will be surprised if you take lots of pictures at once, which I always do. I take so many pictures at a time. Your phone will run out of charge quick. Even if you have like the newest iPhone, it will still like overheat and you'll need to charge it. So yeah, always take a phone charger with you if you remember. But yeah, I'm gonna go drive now to the art gallery I said, and hopefully I'll be able to vlog in there and show you. But I'm kind of scared about like, it's like vlogging in public. It's not really vlogging, I'll just like show you guys what I'm doing, but I'm a bit worried, but hopefully I'll be able to get some clips if it's not too awkward. So I will see you guys in there and I will show you then how to take pictures. Hello guys, I've made it to the art gallery. I've just come to the toilet because my hair's come undone and I just need to sort myself out before I try and take any pictures. It's quite busy, so I'm kind of feeling a bit awkward. But basically I'm going to try and go in the lift and take some pictures, but obviously it's just a bit awkward going in the lift because I don't want to like make the lift like stay at one level and then the other people can't use the lift. So I think just in between, when people get in the lift, I'll just have to like stand there and pretend I'm not doing anything strange. I mean, it's not that strange, but I just feel awkward personally, but I think it's fine. I don't know. Anyway, here's my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this top from Urban Outfitters, and then I'm wearing these cargos I got from Urban Outfitters. Oh god, what did I just knock? Basically, I will update you. Hopefully I'll be able to film a bit, but if not, wish me luck, and I will show you the photos afterwards. Hi guys, I made it to the lift. I'm gonna try and take some pictures, but it's really awkward because people keep coming in. But anyway, I've set up my tripod. I'm going to try and take some pictures in the mirror and also just against the wall. Hello guys, I have found some good stairs, as you can see, to take pictures of. So I'm going to try and take some pictures with my clicker, and you're currently on my tripod, and I will screen record it. But I think they're going to be cute. Like, I just like think I'm going to film, I don't know, I'm going to take some pictures here basically. So hopefully no one walks past, and yeah. Hello guys, I have found this really cute bench, literally just like in the corridor, and look how good the lighting is. So I'm going to try and take some pictures here as well. Literally, like I said, if you just walk around and try and find like white walls with good lighting anywhere, even just in your house, you can get good pictures. So I'm going to try and get some pictures here. I know my outfit's going to be the same in all these pictures, but I don't really mind, because as long as the pictures like look different, I feel like the outfit doesn't matter as much. Like, I don't really mind that much if I like repeat outfits on my Instagram. So I'm going to try and take some pictures here, maybe like that. But yeah, I'm very lucky today finding all these good places. Hello guys, I'm still in the gallery, as you can tell. But before I ever leave anywhere that I've been taking pictures, I'll like go through my pictures really quickly on my phone and just favourite any good ones, just to check I don't need to like go back to the same place while I'm here and retake them, because sometimes if I just take pictures and don't look, I'll get home and the location will be amazing, but I'll be like blinking on all of them or something stupid. So I always go through my pictures before I leave, so I've just gone through and there's at least a few good pictures in each location I took pictures in, so that's all good. So means I can go home now and go through them properly when I get home. Hello guys, I've made it back to the car. It's got a bit blurry, the camera, because the lighting's bad because it's starting to go dark, so just ignore that please. But I am back from the gallery. As you saw, I managed to get 3 different locations, which is actually so lucky, because normally if I go somewhere and I'm only wearing like one outfit, I'll only end up with like 1 set of posts. But I think I've got 3 different posts, which is great. It just shows if you just like walk around literally anywhere, you can just find stuff, especially if it's a sunny day like it was today and there's like good lighting near windows and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna head back home. It's a Friday today, so it's the weekend, yay, and I'm getting a takeaway later with my parents, so that's exciting. But anyway, I'm gonna head back and then probably have a cup of tea and edit the photos. So when I get back, I'll show you what I do to edit my photos. I don't do much at all, but just to show you like the exact like settings I do. So yeah, I will see you when I get back home. Hello guys, I've made it home. I already changed into my joggers because I literally cannot stand being uncomfy like when I'm at home. So I've got changed, got myself some water, and so I thought I would show you guys like how I edit my photos and like how I decide which ones to post, and just basically all that stuff that comes after you took them. So obviously today I got 3 sets of good photos, so I'm gonna pop on the screen like my screen. I'm gonna have to move over here. I'm gonna put my screen up and then I will show you how I edit. So first of all, to go through my photos, I literally just go through on like the Apple photo app, because I've got an iPhone, and I press the little heart button which will like put them in the favorites folder. So I'll literally just go through all my pictures, do favorites on all of them, and just go through them, find my favorite ones obviously. And then to begin with editing my photos, what I begin with is still on the Apple's photo app. I press the little edit button in the top, and then what I will do is I will up the exposure, I'll down the highlights, up the shadows, down the contrast, down or up the brightness depending on what the photo needs, and then sometimes I up the sharpness and adjust the saturation as well. I'll put it all here so you know what I'm doing, but basically that's sort of the rough edits I do to every single photo, all those things, and they sort of just brighten the photo and just tweak it to make it look bit better. So yeah, that's sort of the basic thing I do to every photo. And then some photos obviously I'll crop them on the Photos app still. I'll crop them, or you can like sort of bend the photo, so if you took it at a weird angle you can kind of rotate the photo. So I'll do all that. Then once I have the sort of good image that looks like I want to post it, what I'll do is I'll take it into this app called Feed Planner. It sounds like an ad, it's not an ad, it's just a free app called Feed Planner. And you like log in with your Instagram and it has all your Instagram pictures, and then you just press add, and then I will add in the picture that I've like edited in the Photos app to see if it matches my feed. Now I'm not too fussy about if it matches my feed. Like some people, like one of my best friends from Instagram, Julia, her feed is so nice. She spends ages trying to make it look really good. But I just am lazy, so I don't put that much effort in. But I just put it on my feed to just see if it ish looks right. Like if it's really dark or really bright, then I'll know that it's not going to look amazing on the feed. So I'll do that, and then if it's too dark, sometimes I'll take the photo into the app Facetune 2, because Facetune 1 you have to pay for, so I use Facetune 2 because it's free. It's just a free app. And I'll go on the whitening tool sometimes. So like for this photo here, I use the whitening tool, which is actually for like whitening your teeth, but you can just use it on anything. And I'll whiten the background. So in the lift photos, the obviously the grey like mirror lift was a bit dark, so I just whitened it up. So I like literally like scrub over the whole photo in the background and whiten it, and then you can adjust like how much brightness you want. So I do that to some photos if I need to. Also Facetune 2 has like skin smooth, sometimes I'll use that. Depending on like if I got a big spot that day, I use the skin smoother. And also the details tool I'll use sometimes to do like my eyebrows and my eyelashes. Like if the photo's a bit washed out and you can't really see my like eyes, I use the details tool on my eyes as well. But they're the sort of basic edits I would do to every photo. And also sometimes I'll use the app Snapseed. That's also free. That's just an app where you can like expand the sides of your image. So say you take a photo like too close up, or there's someone in the photo and you crop it, and then you can expand the picture like back bigger, if you know what I mean. So that only works really though on like plain background. So if it's like a white wall, then that's perfect. But if it's got like textured wall, that won't work as well. So once I've done all the edits I wanted to that specific photo, I'll put it back in the Feed Planner app and just check that it all looks good. And then depends how many photos I've took that day, I might be adding loads to my Feed Planner, I might just be adding one picture, and then I'll see where it best looks in the feed. And then I'll post it, or I'll put it in the drafts on Instagram. So I just literally post a photo on Instagram, think of a caption. I tag my location, because tagging your location gets you more people like seeing your photo. And then I also will get some hashtags. I just have a notes folder on my phone with loads of hashtags written down that I've just collected over like seeing TikToks about the best hashtags. I don't really have like a set thing, I just randomly copy and paste some hashtags onto every photo. And then yeah, I'll post my photo, and that's basically it. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hopefully there was some interesting tips for you, and if you have any more like Instagram based questions, just comment them below and I'll like answer it in another video. And also if you just have any video ideas, just comment them. But yeah, I'm gonna go chill. It's Friday, so I'm just gonna go chill on the sofa and have a takeaway later. But yeah, if you guys want to like keep up to date, I post much more regularly on TikTok and Instagram, especially Instagram stories, and then I'm hoping to post on YouTube more regularly as well. But yeah, if you want to follow me on TikTok and Instagram, they're both just my name, Grace Tutty. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I think I've said that already, but I don't know what to say. But basically, I'm gonna go now. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.